Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moo. Right now, you could earn an 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash by using my link in the description below. You could also get up to 15 free stocks right now. Keep in mind, terms and conditions do apply. So go ahead and check out Moo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. Now let's get right into today's video. So today, I want to talk about the zero DTE options trading strategy. So firstly, what does zero DTE stand for? It stands for 0 days to expiration. In other words, these are going to be options contracts that expire on the same day that you trade them. And so on Robinhood desktop, there are two very popular ticker symbols with options that expire every single day. So that's going to be QQQ and SPY, SPY. So let's go to SPY, for example, and let's go into the options here for SPY. So if you take a look here for SPY, if we take a look in the expiration dates here, we can see that SPY has options that expire every single day. And so this is going to be one of the most popular ticker symbols that individuals use to trade zero DTE options. And so let's pretend that today it is December 23rd. So if my expiration is December 23rd and today is December 23rd, then these would all be zero DTE options. They're going to expire today. So if I trade these, I'm trading zero DTE options. So let's say I wanted to trade the call option at the 593 strike. So this would be a zero DTE option. And as you can see, this would cost about $129. Now, the reason these options are very popular is that they are going to be cheaper than options that expire further out. Because let's say, for example, I went to a further out expiration like December 24th. Notice this one costs more. The same strike costs more. If I go even further out like December 26th, again, the same strike costs way more. So zero DTE options are going to be very cheap. And the reason for this is, remember, time influences the premium of an option. And so the longer the contract has until expiration, the more expensive it will be, as the holder has more time for the stock to move above or below the strike price they selected for their call or put option. Now for zero DTE options, the cheapest options are going to be the ones that are far out of the money. Remember, when it comes to buying options, the further out of the money you go, the cheaper the options are going to be. So remember, for call options, out of the money options are going to be options whose strike price is greater than the current share price. So all of these up here are out of the money. And again, notice the more out of the money we go, the cheaper they become. However, the problem with out of the money options is that their value is 100% made up of time value, which means if the price of the stock does not move above or below the strike of your call or put, by the end of the day, you're going to lose 100% of your investment in one single day. So let's actually take a look at this here. Let's go over to Option Strat. So I'll put a link to Option Strat in the description below. Really great options visualization tool. And so we take a look here. We're on SPY. And again, let's just pretend today is December 23rd. So we're looking at options expiring on December 23rd. In other words, zero DTE options. Let's say we purchased the one at the 591, the call option at the 591 strike. So you can see here that you're losing money as time passes by. And by the end of the day, again, if the share price doesn't go above your strike, you're going to lose 100% of your investment. So you can actually see here, right? SPY's at around 591 right now. So notice here, if SPY trades sideways, notice here that as time passes by, you continue to lose more and more and more. So you go from being down 80%, down 85%, down 90%, down 100%. All of this on the same day. So remember, theta decay increases the closer we get to the expiration date. And so since this expires the same date, theta decay is the highest it's going to be, which means your option's going to lose a lot of premium very quickly just from time passing by. However, because the time value is very low, since it expires the same day, this makes the contract very cheap. And so what this means is that a big move in your favor could make you a massive return in just one day. And so you can actually see this here looking at option strat. If I purchased the 0 DTE option and I get a nice move to the upside, let's say, SPY moves up 1.9%, you can see you would make almost a 400% return on that exact same day. But again, you need to get a really nice move in your favor. If stock just trades sideways here, again, we're going to lose a lot of money very quickly just from time passing by, just from theta decay. So this is a very high risk, high reward option strategy. And there's other things to consider with this option strategy. One of those is day trading. If you're trading 0 DTE options, chances are you're entering the trade and you're also closing that exact same trade the exact same day. There's probably not a lot of people that let their option just expire. And remember, when it comes to day trading, you want to be very careful with pattern day trading. So if you make 4 or more day trades within 5 trading days, and the number of day trades represents more than 6% of your total trades in that same 5-day trading day period, you will be flagged for pattern day trading. This is on Robinhood. If your account is flagged for PDT, you're required to have a portfolio value of at least $25,000 to continue day trading. So day trading is one very important thing to keep in mind if you're using 0 DTE options. The other thing to consider, especially on Robinhood, is potentially having your 0 DTE option closed out early, which could impact profit or your losses. So if you take a look here, again, for equity and ETF options, if you have expiration date trading enabled, so that's another thing, you have to enable being able to trade 0 DTE options on Robinhood. You'll have until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time to open positions in same-day expiring contracts. Robinhood will attempt to close out any expiring at-risk positions starting at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And the standard closeout process doesn't apply for index options. So I've seen a lot of people who are trading 0 DTE options and then their options get closed out early by Robinhood. So that's something you need to keep in mind. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.